Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are in a little bit of a different setting because I did want to include my cute puppy in this because we're going to be talking about my favorite dog products to give my beautiful puppy. Hi, honey. Hi. All right, so the first thing is going to be her dog food. So I actually purchased this from Amazon or my local supermarket, depending on how quickly I need it. But this is what we eat all the time. So this is the Blue Buffalo Life Protection Formula for adults. As you can see, she likes it. Do you want one? Let me see if I can give her one. I don't know if she'll eat this because it's not dinner time, but let's see. Oh yeah, she likes it. Take it. She's such a goober. All right, so these are kibble, as you can see here. So it does come out in like a kibble form, and it's natural ingredients. They have this thing called the Blue Promise, which means that everything that they make is formulated with the finest natural ingredients. In this case, we have real chicken, which is the first ingredient, and there's no chicken byproduct, no corn, wheat, or soy, no artificial flavors or preservatives. So my baby, oh, you didn't eat it. Eat it. She's such a, I don't know if you guys have Huskies, but Huskies are the most interesting, stubborn breed, but she is just so perfect. However, she is getting a little up there in age. She did just turn 5, and she also has some kidney issues just from a congenital birth defect. So we knew that we had to find something that was going to do right by her from the inside out. Also, as you can see, she has the most beautiful coat. And yes, we do groom her like every 8 weeks or so. But we also were looking for something that would help nourish her from the inside out for her coat. So a couple things that they're saying are the true blue effect for adult dogs who eat this dog food: immune system health, joint health and overall mobility, healthy digestion and a microbiome, healthy muscle development, skin and coat health, strong bones and teeth, and vibrant energy for an active life. So these are 100% the only thing that I feed my dog. She is the love of my life. I have no kids. I am only a dog and a cat parent, and I take a lot of pride in making sure that I am putting in them what I would want to put in myself.